In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a door lock actuator on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a small trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to get up behind this trim piece and we're going to start to pop it out. There's 2 clips at the bottom and 2 at the top. There's going to be 2 Phillips head screws located behind that trim piece. There's one on the bottom. And one on the top. Behind the door handle, there's a little trim piece. Using a small tool, we're going to get behind that and pop it out. There's going to be 1 Phillips head screw behind there. Remove that. We're going to remove the connector off of this little light. Taking a small tool, we're going to start on the right side and pick it up. We do that because this is where the relief point is. And there's going to be a push button connector. Go ahead and push on that and remove it from the light. Remove the trim piece for the mirror. Grab the side and pull straight out. Grab the door where you removed the light and give it a pull straight out. And this will pop the clips off. Pull the door up and off. You do not have to remove this door card from the vehicle. In our case, we're gonna, just so we have more space. But the bolts are very accessible if you want to leave it. To pop out these top cables, pop it out of the plastic first, line it up and pull it out. Do the same thing on the bottom. There's a push button connector right here. The button is on the back. Push on that and remove it, and then you can remove the door panel. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws around the switch. Remove the switch. Remove the connector from the switch. Ours was kind of stuck. You should be able to just push on this tab and then this outer locking ring will come up. And this is what allows it to unlock from the switch. Remove that. Install the new switch to the connector. You're going to push the connector in and then slide that locking sleeve down and lock it into place. Install the switch into the door. And install the Phillips head screws. And then we're ready to put it back on the car. Install the connector. Make sure you hear a click. Install the ball into the socket. And install the cable into the bracket. Do the same thing on the bottom. Make sure the connector for the little light on the bottom is running through the door. And we're going to drop the door on top of the window. Go around the door, making sure all of the clips are clipping into place. Install the screws for the door. One more behind the handle. Install the trim piece behind the handle. Install the connector for the light. Install the left side first and then hinge over. It'll clip into place. Install the trim piece for the back of the mirror and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.